Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Akron OH, where we talk all things outdoor living. Today we are going to talk about deck lighting and basic electrical planning. A well-built deck should feel just as safe at night as it does in the middle of the day, and good lighting is a big part of that. We start by thinking about safety first. Stairs, edges, and transitions between levels are the most important spots to light. Step lights, small fixtures and risers, or lights tucked under stair nosings help you see each tread clearly. Post lights or low-level rail lights can mark edges so people know where the deck ends, especially when they are carrying food or moving quickly. Next, we look at how you actually use the space. A dining area might need softer overhead or wall-mounted light, while an outdoor kitchen needs brighter, more focused lighting so you can see what you are cooking. Seating areas often benefit from warmer, indirect light that makes the space comfortable without shining directly into anyone's eyes. Planning for power early makes everything easier. We think about where outlets will be most helpful, such as near grills, heaters, or places you might plug in speakers or tools. Running wiring during deck construction or during a major rebuild is cleaner and usually more cost-effective than trying to add it after everything is finished. All electrical work should follow code and use outdoor-rated components. The fixtures and materials you choose should handle weather. That means using fixtures rated for wet locations, proper junction boxes, and protected wiring paths. It also means thinking about how cleaning and maintenance will work. Around lit stairs and railings, durable surfaces such as composite decking from brands like Fiberon can keep the area looking good without a lot of extra care. Controls matter too. Timers, dimmers, and separate switches for different zones make the deck more flexible. You might want the stair lights on every evening for safety, but only turn the brighter cooking lights on when you are grilling. Taking a little time to plan those controls up front makes nightly use much simpler. If you are ready to improve lighting on your existing deck or plan it into a new project, you can reach our team at 33403-1330 or visit toughdeckbuildersakronoh.com. At Tough Deck Builders Akron OH, we design decks with lighting and power in mind so you can enjoy the space safely after dark. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders Akron OH. Join us next time as we talk through common deck drainage mistakes that lead to rot and how to avoid them.